We were sent this pool vacuum, and my gosh, it is so easy to be able to set up. It actually comes 90% ready to go already. The telescopic poles, all the segments are real easy to be able to do. One thing to note when you're putting the telescopic pole together, this segment where it has the bigger flare, that's the part that goes onto the vacuum itself. It has all the push buttons to be able to quickly release, so you can set it to whatever size and length you need it to be. I'll show you right now how easy this is to be able to clip on here. So just with the flared side, clip it on there, push that button down, and then go ahead and swing it in there. And now it's installed on there properly. If you needed to go through and remove this, this adapter here goes into the pole here. If you ever needed to adapt that, you need a little like screwdriver or something to be able to push that button down. But by and large, you shouldn't ever have to do that. This adapter can just stay on there unless you were trying to store it into like a small place. But that makes it real easy to be able to connect there. The other part here is this adapter here allows you to be able to use a plethora of attachments that come with this. So we have this scrubber slash vacuum attachment. You have a standard suction attachment. You have a real scrubber one. Then you have just a suction part as well. It also comes with different filters so that it has that you would use for different types of particulate. So it comes with a really fine filter. It comes with a polyester mesh bag that you would use just for like daily stuff. So depending on the type of matter that you're picking up, you can put a couple of these together as well, so that you kind of have a pre-filter, and then the main one. So it comes with these two, and then it also comes with one inside the vacuum already ready to go. So a couple things, it comes with this nice little ID kit here. So powerful suction up to 18.5 gallons per minute. Telescopic pole can reach up to 130 inches, 10.8 feet. A runtime of about 70 minutes. That's a long time to be cleaning, but if you have a big area to clean, that works out good. Max flow rate, and then upgraded 14-inch wide head and telescopic pole. So really nice to be able to have all these different features available on this pool vacuum. The charging port here is on the back, and it comes with a standard wall outlet to be able to charge it. And then when you're done charging it, you go ahead and you put the plug cover back on there to make sure that it stays waterproof. And this is meant to go underwater. So on and off button right here, go through, just click it to on. There's a slight delay in it turning on, but you'll hear it turn on, and then you can select which attachment you want. The attachments go on very easily. So we'll start with this one here. So you just go through, bring it on here, and then you push this yellow button and it clips on. It is that easy. And then if you want to go through and remove this and put on a different one, hit this yellow button, pull it out, and switch to a different attachment. So that is really how easy it is to be able to put this together. Now you're going to see it in operation.
All right, let's clean. I hit the on button, power it up, and we got some leaves down there that I want to get out. This is a 9-foot deep pool, so having this really long telescoping pole is going to be really nice. Oh wow, this is so easy. I actually enjoy vacuuming. It's the only chore I will say that I enjoy, and so this is just like how you would vacuum at home, except you're on the bottom of a pool. Super simple. You could do it systematically where you do your whole pool and you're scrubbing everything, or if you just like right here where there's just certain leaves, you can just kind of spot them right out. Oops, I missed that one. You don't need much strength to do this either. There's a bit of suction to the pool bottom, so it is kind of guiding it for me, but I'm not really putting a ton of effort into doing this. It's very quiet too. You can't even hear it. So this is great if you have stairs for your pool as well, because you can just put it on the staircase and run it. And there's different size attachments too, as mentioned. So you don't have to do this one, but this one's really, really simple to use. And now I want to test one of the different attachments and try to get some pool toys out that are at the bottom of the pool. I'm going to try to get a couple pool toys out from the bottom of the pool. So I'm using this one to just suction them up, and then hopefully I can just grab it from there. We'll see if this works. So snapping it on, really, really simple. And then turning it on right there. It's going to start up. There it goes. And let's see if I can reach that pool toy. So little extra effort, but you could always just bring it to the side in the shallow end, and then I'm gonna reach in. Success! Yay! And then the last step would be opening it. Last step is opening it. Just twist that. Here's the bag, and I can already feel the leaves in there. And then you'll just empty those out and dry it out, and then you're ready to do it again.